Now we're starting our video. This video is not for this flower. Actually, those flowers are all actually beautiful. It's nice looking, so fresh and white color are so attractive. But this video is for this beetle right now, because when I starting this video, this beetle was in front of me. It looks beautiful. It's just hide itself with this green pure leaf, and when he eat this leaf, I was coming to across way to disturb him. But he's so beautiful and so attractive. That's why I'm here to view her monument, her sculpture. Now he is starting this noise because he doesn't allow me to touch him or make a video with him. That's why this loud new sounds are as a warning to view at this time. He just want to say that don't capture him as a video. He doesn't like it interfere his eating time. So I'm just waiting to stop this noise because this noise is so disturbing for my video actually. You can see this time he just stopped his news because I'm out of the way of making video with himself, but I'm not going to much more start this type because I just curious to capture his body, his movement, his legs, his feathers, and etc. So I'm just avoid his noise and warning actually. So you guys can watch this because it looks so. Now he's starting this noise now so loudly. And please, all of you, please subscribe my channel for the new video. I will make this type of video. This page can, this noise is so disturbing. I'm going to leave him because he doesn't allow me to make a video. Okay, now he just stopped. Bye now, friends. Good luck.